Hi there, students. In this video I want to look at the idiom a shot in the arm, or maybe the metaphor like a shot in the arm. No, that would make it a simile. So, do you think a shot in the arm is good or bad? Well, a shot in the arm means something that boosts, something that provides a positive effect, something that gives encouragement. So, new investment in the company would give it a shot in the arm. The praise that we were given in the press was a shot in the arm for us. So it's something that boosted us. It's something that made us feel really good. Yeah, a shot in the arm. It regenerates confidence. It increases efficiency. So the television report about the beauties of this area was a shot in the arm for the local tourist industry because lots of people came there. So if something is like a shot in the arm, it's really good. So you're probably wondering, what do they mean by a shot? Bang, bang? No. A shot is an injection. Did you have your COVID shots? The dog's had his rabies shot, so a shot is an injection. And this idea is the injection in the arm is a good thing. It's good for whatever. So I'd been working all day and I got home and I was really tired and I had a beer and it was like a shot in the arm. It made me feel much better. Yeah, it helped me to recover my energy. Yeah, so I think this is like a medicine that makes you feel better. Yeah, something that revitalizes you. You could have maybe a vitamin shot, something that reinvigorates you, it encourages you. We need to find something to give their decreasing enthusiasm a shot in the arm. The endorsement that we were given by the government was a shot in the arm for the campaign. A famous actress making a statement and saying she supported our campaign was a real shot in the arm for us. Yeah, it was a really good thing. Yeah, it was a boost of encouragement. Yeah, I guess you could also use this figuratively for a drink. Yeah, so after the really bad news, I needed a shot in the arm. Yeah, okay, maybe a brandy or a whiskey or something like that. But generally, it's something that's encouraging, particularly at a time when it is needed. Okay, so a shot in the arm. When the new king said that he supported our ideas, it was a real shot in the arm for us. It gave us renewed vigor, renewed confidence. It was like a stimulus. It was something that made us feel better. It gave us energy. Okay, a shot in the arm. This is fairly informal. I think I'd probably give it, a 4 informality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. This was like a shot in the arm, maybe just in a semi-formal writing, but certainly no more. Okay? So, something that gives you confidence, makes you feel good. That's a shot in the arm, particularly like a shot in the arm. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A shot in the arm, like a shot in the arm.